Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Capcut with your video on the timeline. This step gets the audio isolated so you can change it. First, import the clip and zoom the timeline until the waveform is visible. Once done, select the video and use Detach Audio or Extract Audio so the voice becomes its own track. Do this now because editing isolated audio prevents accidental damage to video. Make sure you save a duplicate clip before heavy edits, so you can revert if needed. Now focus on the detached audio. Tap the audio track, then choose Voice Eraser or AI Voice Removal if available. That tool targets vocal frequencies and preserves background sounds. If Voice Eraser isn't present, apply noise reduction and use equalizer cuts around typical vocal bands, about 300 Hz to 3K Hz, reducing those ranges gradually. Once you apply a pass, play back and compare. Repeat with lower strength until the voice is minimized, but ambient sound still reads natural. Finish by smoothing any artifacts and balancing levels. Apply short fades at edit points and lower overall audio gain if residual voice remains. Export a quick test file to check how removal behaves on different devices. Sometimes artifacts appear only after export. If you hear warbling or loss of ambience, undo the strongest pass and run 2 gentler passes instead, or export stems and process in an external audio editor. Save a copy of the original project so you can retry different settings later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.